In this video I'm going to share with you that how can you earn the money as a copywriter. So 4 ways from you can earn the money from a copywriter. So I'm going to share with you the 4 ways, but there are plenty of ways you can earn the money. It is not just about 4 ways only, but I'm going to share with you only 4 ways which actually I'm focusing about right now. So first way is to buy writing email copies. So you can straight away connect it with some of the business organization, and you just tell them that I'm going to write your business email copywriting which is going to convert more. So let's take an example. If a business is converting 1 customer out of 100 emails they send, so if you tell them the offer that I will try to convert 5 customers out of these 100 people, so they will give you the opportunity to do that, and that's how you're writing their emails and you're getting more and more money for that. So first way is email copy. Second way is write website copy for them. There are plenty of websites right now in this particular period of time in the internet. There are thousands of the businessmen who are selling their product and services through their website. So they need a good copywriter who can actually help them to close more deals for them, close more sales for them, so that they can earn more money. You can straight away contact to them and you can tell them that I will write your website copy, just give me the opportunity and I will try to convert more and more customers. So in that time they will give you the opportunity, and that's how you will get that particular work. So second way is to write website copy. Third way is to write sales copy. We can also say a sales letter. There are thousands of the businessmen who wants to sell their product through the sales letter, sales copy. So by doing that once you write the sales copy for the people, it will help you to convert more and more sales for them. What you need to understand, you need to use your copywriting skill in order to sell more and more, close more and more sell deals over there by just using your copywriting skills only. It is similar to the email copy which you already did. It is similar to the website copy which you already did, but you just have to make sure that whenever you write sales letter, you should know who is your target audience, what exactly the kind of action which you wanted to take from them, and what are the cost of that particular product, so that you can justify that particular product in the copy. So that is called sales copy. This is the third way to earn the money as a copywriter. Fourth way and the last way which I am going to share with you, it's to write landing pages copy. See, understand this thing. When you write landing pages, it is a very, very competitive game right now, because there are so many people who are doing the same stuff only. So whenever you write landing pages, you need to understand that you are using your copywriting skills again over there in order to close and more deals. So if you want to be a copywriter, you need to understand your value. It's not about how much word you are using in your copy. Your value will be discovered by how much sales you made, how much sales your copy will did. That's how your value will be measured in that particular place. So if you're writing the landing pages, you need to understand that how can you use your copywriting skills. Whenever you write landing pages, you need to understand you are using your copywriting skills also, and you trying to communicate with the businessman also what exactly he is looking in the landing page copy. So this is the fourth way to earn the money from the landing page. So these are the 4 ways from how can you earn the money from copywriting. These are the 4 steps. There are plenty of ways by writing for being a direct sales copywriter. You can be you can write the product description also, website content also. There are plenty of things you can do. You can write a book also. So that's how you can do that.